Hey guys, it's Lindsay with the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I'm going to show you how to paint wash or color wash wood. Now this is a super simple process. This is a quick video, and I'm just going to show you how to take any color paint, mix a little water, and create a wash for the wood. Now what this does is it mutes the regular tones in the wood and covers it with whatever color wash you have. This is a previous project I did on a cherry wood top that I made over with a paint wash. You can see what a little tan paint and water created a beautiful finish just with some swaying hammock paint and water. Now this project I'm going to be using heart pine, and this is what it looks like. And I'm using the same swaying hammock paint color. All I'm doing is I'm putting the paint in a cup and I'm mixing it with a little bit of water. And then you need to mix it up really well. Make sure the consistency is smooth. And then you're going to take a lint-free cloth. You're going to wipe it in the direction of the wood grain. Make sure it's in the direction of the wood grain. And this is where it becomes more of a trial and error process. Every piece of wood is going to take the wash a little bit differently. So you really need to sort of experiment before you do your entire project. So like I said, this is a piece of heart pine, and it's really soaking the solution in like a lot. So I had to add a little more paint to the solution, make it a little more opaque. And what I ended up doing was I put it on there and then I let it sit for a few minutes. And then I took a clean lint-free cloth and then I wiped the excess off of the top. And you can see there it's already muting those red tones and those darker tones. And even here, I still wasn't completely happy, so I put one more coat. Now, and then I let it sit on there for a little more time, and then once again, I wiped it off. And when I wiped it off this time, I was pleased with the color. Now, once you're done with your paint wash, always be sure to seal it. Okay, I've got another video on great sealers. I'll link it here. But you can see the color that I'm getting after I wipe off the excess is really the color I was going for. So just word to the wise, it's best before you do this, if you have like a separate piece of wood that you can kind of do an experiment on, you know, to make sure that it's the right color you're looking for. But that's it, guys. It's super simple. Color washing, paint washing, it's super simple. So I would highly suggest it, especially if you're looking to mute some unwanted wood tones.